The calculation builder is another Coda superpower, and I know what you're thinking. Calculation sounds mathematical, maybe a little daunting. I'm happy to say it's much simpler than it seems. The calculation builder is a column type that you can add to your tables, and once added, the calculation builder enables you to build on and reinterpret your existing data in different ways using pre-built formulas that Coda applies if selected. It's one of the easiest ways to automatically fill a column based on data in your table or another related one. With it, you can turn raw data into something that's immediately usable. It's useful for common transformations that would otherwise require writing a formula. The calculation builder will ask for the specific column you're working with and offer relevant options to break out your data for your table based on the column type, like dates, people, text, and more. Let's look at a few examples. First, a simple one. We have a table where the formatting isn't very consistent. Some cells have extra indentations and whitespace. Luckily, the calculation builder can fix common formatting issues with text-based columns. To do this, select the Add Column button, then scroll to and select Calculation Builder. Coda will then ask you which column to build a calculation for. Select your text column, and Coda will automatically suggest text-based options like trimming extra spaces for formatting text more consistently. We choose one, and Coda fills the column in automatically for every row. This might seem small, but it saves a lot of time and keeps things consistent without copying formulas. Now, let's look at a date example. Here we have a table with a due date column. What we want to know is simple. Is this item overdue? Instead of writing a formula from scratch, we can add a new column and select the calculation builder as the column type. Then we will select the column to build a calculation for, and Coda will suggest date-based options. Here we can select overdue, and Coda automatically populates the column for every row. Now each item clearly shows whether it is overdue, and its status updates automatically as time passes. Again, no formulas to write at all. Here's another quick example. In this table, we have an owner column using the people column type. If we want to surface each person's email address, we can again use the calculation builder to break out that data. We add a column, then choose the calculation builder, and then we select the column to build a calculation for. Next, we'll select the relevant people column option, which will break out emails related to the selected person. Coda fills the columns in for every row. This is particularly helpful when you're preparing data for sharing or notifications or automations. Every time you use the calculation builder, Coda is creating a formula behind the scenes. You just don't have to write it, but it's there if you ever want to inspect or customize it. That makes the calculation builder a great starting point. Think of this as your default for stuff like formatting text, working with dates, or pulling common details from other columns. And if you find yourself about to write a short formula, just try the calculation builder first. It's often already thought of what you need.